Hi friends, welcome back. I hope that you are having a great day so far. In today's video we are in my bathroom and I am so excited because it is the very first time that I'm going to be decorating my bathroom for the fall season. So please come along with me as I clean and decorate this space for the season. Like I mentioned, this is the first time that I'm going to be adding some fall touches to my bathroom. I did decorate this space for the summer season, which was also my first time, and I got so excited that I decided to add some touches for fall as well. And you know me, as I like to decorate, I like to start with a clean slate. So I'm clearing out everything and then I'm going to give everything just a quick wipe down and then I'm going to start decorating. Now I won't be talking throughout this video, so if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below and I would be happy to answer them for you. And if you happen to be new to my channel, I am your host Arelis and I would totally love it if you would consider hitting that subscribe button, stay a while and become a resident of my happy home. So with that being said, let's continue.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. Cause I don't wanna waste my time. Same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string me along the way you do. Just let me get over you. Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. Cause I don't wanna waste my time, no. I don't wanna waste my time, no. Maybe you don't wanna know, you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. Cause I don't wanna waste my time, no. I don't wanna waste my time, no. No, I don't wanna waste my time. I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time's in a rush. falling down, but at least they grow back, while I'm on a one-way track. Now I know what it means to grow old. Yeah, now I know the time I got, it is just enough to get by. Yeah, it is just enough to get by. Sometimes I understand I'm making all the wrong demands in life. It never pays in the end, but still I am here, moving on like before. I'm yearning to reach the shore. Now I know what it means to grow. It is just enough to get by. Oh, now I know what it means to grow old. Yeah, now I know the time I've got, it is just enough.
And that is all I have for you today. Here is a little tour of how this space turned out. Now leave me a comment down below, because I always love to connect with you guys. Let me know, do you decorate your bathroom for the different seasons, for the fall and the Christmas season? Just leave me a comment down below. I would really like to know. So I'm gonna leave you here with a little tour. I hope that you have enjoyed this and that you could have gotten some inspiration. And again, if you are new to my channel, I would totally love it if you would consider hitting that subscribe button and become a resident of my happy home. So for now, I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in my next one. Bye.